Welcome to this BeeGraphy tutorial. Today, we're exploring the power of computational design on the cloud by creating a dynamic, parametric pattern using the polar array feature. This demo highlights BeeGraphy parametric design, creating adjustable circle patterns with customizable size, spacing, and offset for a dynamic generative design. We'll start our design journey. We'll use the circle node to define its geometry. We'll introduce the range input node. This node allows us to control numerical values within defined minimum and maximum limits, creating a dynamic parameter for our circle's diameter. Let's set the minimum diameter to 50 and the maximum to 100. We'll use a range input node. Again, we'll set the boundaries for this range. To determine the exact horizontal position of our circle, we'll use a subtraction node so that the circles don't overlap. This will give us the x-coordinate for our circle's origin point. Now, let's introduce the polar array nodes. This node creates copies of the given geometry and places them around the specified point. The generated shapes will be evenly distributed around the point. We will set the number of iterations or instances to 4 for now. Let's add offset curve node. This node will enlarge our circles, adding an offset to their original curves. We will use a range input loop to control this offset distance. This allows us to dynamically control the spacing between frames. To control the direction of the offset inward, we'll use a simple opposite node. To combine the two sets of frames, the original and the offset, we will use the list merge node. This node merges the different lists of geometries, allowing us to view the complete pattern. To simplify your workspace, we can use the hide function to hide additional nodes. Now, let's activate the demo from the menu to the right and see our model. So here it is. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped. For more on computational design, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. See you in the next tutorial.